Today, I'll walk you through how to track your macros with this simple Notion meal planner, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your meal planner so you can effortlessly manage your nutrition goals. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. This is where all the magic will happen. If you're new to Notion, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. It's totally normal if this takes a moment to get used to. Next, click on the Add a Page button. This is typically located in the sidebar. Think of this as creating a blank canvas for your meal planning masterpiece, a space where you can organize your meals and track your macros effectively. Now, let's navigate to the Templates section. Click on Templates to explore the options available. Templates are like pre-designed blueprints that can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on customizing your planner to fit your needs. Once you're in the Templates section, click on Templates again to access a wider variety of options. This will lead you to a marketplace filled with useful tools and layouts. In the search box, type Meal Planner. This is where you'll find specific templates designed for meal tracking. Think of this as browsing a menu at your favorite restaurant where you can choose the dish that best suits your taste. After searching, choose the desired template and click on it. Take a moment to review its features and layout. This is your opportunity to select a template that resonates with your style and needs. Next, click on Plus Add to include the template in your Notion workspace. Once added, it will appear in the left pane, ready for you to customize. This is like adding a new tool to your toolbox. It's now at your disposal for meal planning. Open the template once it appears and modify it to best fit your needs. You can adjust various elements to make it truly yours. Remember, this is your meal planner, so feel free to personalize it as much as you like. You can highly modify each item on the template by just clicking on it. This flexibility allows you to tailor your meal planner to your specific dietary requirements and preferences. Now, let's dive deeper. You can change the name, the cover image, and even edit the calories for each meal. This is where you can fine-tune your planner to ensure it aligns with your macro tracking goals. Additionally, you can input your protein, fat, and other nutritional fields directly into the planner. This feature makes it easy to keep track of your daily intake, helping you stay on top of your nutrition. Finally, don't forget to explore other fields on the page. There may be additional options that can enhance your meal planning experience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.